Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I'm going to show you how to make VR Panorama, AiHouse VR Panorama in Facebook. Okay, in Facebook you're able to see. Alright, first thing first, go to your AiHouse. Okay, you just download your Panorama. Okay, Panorama you download. So to come in, just come to gallery. Okay, from render, Panorama. Okay, see which one you want to download. So for example, if I use this one, I press download, download now. Okay, so after download, it will look like it's a T shape. So in Facebook, they don't support T shape. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to use a converter from T shape to a rectangular shape like this. Okay, so open this is my link. Copy this one. This is the download link. Copy this one. You open new tab. Paste here like this. Enter. We use this one. Download this one. Converter. Click me. Once you click in, download this one. Let's say download. Once download complete, you can just find which location you want to put, or you can just put it here. Just right click. Attract here. You have your panorama converter. Double click it. Press this one. Now we want to convert the image. So drag the image, the T file, put it here. Just drag and drop. Convert input. So maybe this shape. I make it to 3000. Format. So format, I make it a JPEG. Quality, if you want to go high, you can go high. You don't want, then you can just go 90%. Output, where you want to output, select it. So let's say I put at desktop panorama, this one. Then just press save, then press convert. As you can see here, done. It's already done convert. So now I'm going to show you how to put it in Facebook, because once just this image you can't able to put it, so you need one more method. We use software to convert, which is down here. You scroll down. We use this third-party software. Click here. Download this one. Once download complete, say where you want to put the converter. So for now my converter is here. Right click, attract here. This is my converter. Double click it, and come back. So this is my image. I just drag and drop. Once complete, if you guys want to remove, clear the data, you can clear data. If you want to delete the original image, you can delete. If you feel very confused, you can just tick both and then press this one, add metadata. Once complete, then you can put into Facebook. Once you complete, it will be something like this ready. Then you come to your Facebook. From the wall picture here, then you just drag and drop the image. As you can see here, something this icon like this, then you press post. There you go. So remember, hit the like button and subscribe. Bye.